Hey y'all, my name is AALIYAH ZHANÉ. I'm back with another video on the continuation of this hairstyle. So the curls still look good. It's just more of, it can get more bigger by combing it out more. I've been using this to lay the top part down. Cause that one's getting big. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to put out there that this video is from 2021. I just found the footage, like I could not figure out how to transport the footage from my Canon GX7 to my phone. I figured it out like at the last minute. Also, that's my college ring. I would always put rings on my ring finger because I didn't want guys to approach me. It never worked. They still approach me. So yeah, that's my college ring. I paid $1,000 for. I paid for it myself. So just putting that out there because a friend of the family thought I was engaged or married. Have not been ever yet. One day. I wonder if I add some curls to it, even though it has curls, like put some more in there. She wanna be cute, so she gon' look cute. She wanna be cute, so she can look cute. She checking herself out in the mirror. She looking at herself, she look good. She look good, she look good. She won't get out the mirror. She won't get out the mirror. She checking her hair out. Y'all know I can really sing, but for the purpose of being a comedian, if I could be one, I have to sing like very funny, you know, sing in a funny way. Now she is about to put that comb in her hair, put that comb in her hair. It's hot, don't touch it, it's gonna burn your finger. It's hot tamale. She tryna get the shape. Oh, she tryna get the shape to frame. Okay, oh, okay. You better repeat. I'm so bored. She tryna make sure it's right, so she can go outside. Oh, she did it again. It's enough, okay. Do y'all see how big of a difference that made me, like, trying to, I don't know what you call it, but you're just, like, trying to make it have an effect at the front? How it just formed and made my face frame look so different. It just made a huge difference, and I loved the look. It was so cute. So clearly right here, y'all can tell that I'm feeling myself, okay? Like, I don't know what I was doing, but I was feeling like, you know, I'm giving Beyonce look or something, because, you know, her hair was always full during her, you know, career. But people have always said that I look like Solange, like ever since I was a kid and growing up. People said that I look like her, I favor her, and I was like, thanks. I don't know why I thought I could just chill and keep the camera rolling, but I mean, I don't remember what I was doing on my phone because this is from a long time ago. Leave me alone. I don't know why I'm making that face. It's okay. I'm focused, I guess, whatever I'm doing. Shoot. So I did end up cutting this hair to bra strap length or shoulder length. Because it was summertime and it was too hot outside to deal with all that hair. But yeah, I was going to lay the edges down. But I don't know if I want to or not, even though you can kind of see the lace. If you're like all up in my grill. It's like I don't want to lay the edges down because it looks good without the edges laid down. But then again, I want to lay the edges down. A head full of hair. Unfortunately, I don't have footage of me cutting the hair to shoulder length, but you can see that I have a reel on my Instagram page with the hair. With the hairstyle cut. I'm not feeling it. I'm not feeling it. Acting like I'm feeling it. Kitty cat, you want some more? Let's go, little kitty cat. And let me know, little kitty cat. So right here, I'm cleaning up the residue with alcohol, just cleaning it up, any makeup or sticky mess from the glue. Child, whoever I was calling, they did not want to pick up the phone. Alright, y'all, so if y'all are new, y'all might as well go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Thumbs this video up if you enjoyed it. I appreciate y'all, and to my subbies that have always been with me, I love y'all. Thank you. See y'all later.